Good morning once more. Merry Christmas. We've not opened presents yet. Beautiful wife's not up and the doggy. I'm going to review SavageAffiliates.com. I know it's going to be good. A great guy online or started online. He was there. He's from New Zealand. Hope it's not from Australia. Be happy. I think he is. Franklin Hatchett, easy for me to say. So he has many products, gives value on YouTube, many videos, constant. He doesn't really do review, but he gives training, and it really is top notch. Some of the times one was quite expensive. I'm not sure if he still does that through ClickFunnels. It wasn't anything to do with his program, it was just used that and it's expensive, so I'm not sure. So this will probably be a good one. So he knows about the copy. I mean, he's got a video, in fairness to Monster as brands, that they didn't have that, which is so bizarre. So this is what we really must have to help the user a better experience. So the ultimate blueprint, he's got that in a different font highlighted. So he's saying this is the ultimate, this is the real step-by-step guide that will help you start and build an online business. So at times we don't know where to start, but then it's not just going to end there. There's training behind this, building it. Your first profitable business, income business, 30 days. I like the way you just had that white into red, so we pay attention. The video is going to captivate us. So this is clever. In only 30 days, where the numbering plays a big part in marketing. Like, it all changed for me only 4 months ago. So it's the same kind of idea. Your passive income machine with easy to follow training. And we'll take a look at this video.
What's going on, guys? It's Franklin here, and I want to thank you for being with me here today. Now, I'm going to take you through this quick video because, frankly, you don't have much time before the price goes up on this training. And the reason the price will be going up is because of the insane results we're getting inside for our students. Now, the plan here, guys, is to get your first profitable passive income business up in 30 days by using a method called affiliate marketing. And you're going to be learning from my passive income machine with easy to follow training. It's going to show you how to create your first passive income business online. If you already have one, we're going to show you how to scale it to the moon. Now, the most important part of this, guys, is results. Can you get results from this training? Well, I have folders of results. It'll be impossible for me to show you every single person that's had results from this training. But what's more important is all of these people and all of the students from this training have come from the same place looking to start making money online, and they've all done the exact same training. So here's a few of my students, because I obviously can't fit every single person online because we have so many results inside this training. So this is Sean. He made over $10,000 in total, and he's actively making over $3,000 per month by doing this training. And these are affiliate commissions that he gets every single month like clockwork. And the best thing is this keeps growing every single month. Now, some of these students are blanked out because they didn't want to show all of their name. But this is another student here who is getting $300 commissions, actually $398 commissions, $398 commissions multiple times during the week, plus a few smaller commissions. And they managed to do this while working a job. So this is something you can do while you are actively working a job right now. Now, this is another student, Jono, who started following me a long time ago and jumped into my training. And he recently just did $5,000 in affiliate commissions in one single day, as you can see on the screen. And he actively does 400, 500, 600, 2,000, 3,000 every single day, depending on what he's promoting at that particular time. $5,000 in a day is a very, very good achievement. Here's another student who sent me a message when they got their first affiliate marketing commission from this passive machine. And then here is another student, guys, who recently put one of his websites up for sale for $1 million. That makes some commissions, and he is selling that right now for 7 figures, which is a crazy achievement to think that you could build something that's worth over $1 million.
So he's showing like results of people who have built websites, and you can sell websites for like that. So you take a look at that. It's a relatively long one, but not too long, 16 minutes, and then start building your business. It's nice colour on that one. Um, I suppose it is quite expensive, but then if you pay some 20 a month over the year, you'd pay that. So it's really just paying it up front. But this is what you're getting over the shoulder affiliate training. Here's the thing with anything, like you might join something else and it's a one-off payment $50, and but you don't have a clue what you have to do with it. At least, yeah, you are paying a wee bit more, but you're getting the training, and it's the community. These are the things, like knowing how to do something. Give a man a fish, quite good, but teach him how to do it. It's the same idea. Research trainings is complete website set up and training. Email marketing, which there's power on the list. Relationship, people don't always buy the first time. Funnel is giving something away for free, and then all the OTEs, which are offers. You make money that way. ClickBank training, which we use that as a process. There's many products on that. Amazon affiliate training, which I've done a video on. SEO appearing in Google. Traffic Academy, see there's more training. Private training as well. Weekly videos. I would say it's well worth it. Franklin Hatch is a master in affiliate marketing. And then if you wanted to pay more, there's all that stuff. And then extra 30-day money back guarantee probably uses ClickBank. They do all um, the refunds and things like that. And he's quite open guy. You can email him, and there's his email. It's got all the legal stuff, the GDPR, which is quite impressive. Not many would have that, and the disclaimers, earning disclaimers. That's all earnings are not typical. It's not you're definitely going to make that. So it's not leading you around the garden path. And join us now, and that's just really the same page. Self affiliate program or join it. But it's just reviewing it. Do I recommend it? Yes, because the man behind it, and then what we've seen, it's really good. As great as it is it the best thing? I believe it's not. I'm recommending something that's going to really change everything for you and the industry, and I hope you take a look at it, and would love to see you inside. Bye bye for now.